Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Short Course Literacy in 2022. I'm making this slideshow just to give you a little bit of introduction for our week of learning from home. As you can see, I'll quickly go over the course structure, then tell you what you can be doing while you're working from home in week 2. Then I'll just give you a bit of a summary of what's going to be happening this term. So short course literacy will give you, a pass in short course literacy will give you 1 QCE point. It runs across 1 semester, and in that time you will complete 2 units. The first unit, or the first topic, is personal identity and education. And during this unit you will complete a journal and a biography. Later in the year, we will do the second topic, which is the work environment, where you will complete a speech and a comprehension exam. For week 2, you can start your work at home by completing some of the activities that I've put together for you in this work pack, which will be sent home to you. Our first topic is personal identity and education. Personal identity relates to who we are, and the fact that it sits there beside the words "and education," we're actually talking about who we are as learners. Our journal will give us a really great opportunity to be able to show how we can reflect on ourselves as learners and become better learners in the future. Later on in the term, we will write a biography of a prominent person, either in our community or in Australia. Now, next week, or this week rather, there will be 3 parts to complete. Part 1 here is a reflection on your education in 2021. So that's you thinking about what school was like for you last year. Then part 2 will be to complete an actual journal entry. I've written one over here to give you a bit of an example of what it can look like, and giving you some space here to write your own. For part 3, I've included an article telling us some information about Cathy Freeman, and this has some comprehension questions attached to it with the answers. We'll go through these answers together when we're back together in the classroom later in the term. So when we return to on-campus learning, we'll look at some more biographies of prominent people in Australia. But each lesson there will be a reflection activity to complete, and at the end, all of these reflection activities together will be marked so I can see how you can reflect on yourself as a learner, and hopefully this will help you to become a better learner in the future. I look forward to meeting you all.